In this video, you'll learn how to create tasks in Paperclip AI. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully created and assigned tasks within the application, streamlining your workflow effectively. Begin by navigating to the Paperclip AI dashboard. Open your web browser and enter the URL for the dashboard. Once the page loads, you should see a clean interface with various options at the top. Look for the section labeled Dashboard to confirm you are in the right place. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Jarvis. This button is typically situated in the main menu on the left-hand side of the screen. After you click it, you will be directed to the Jarvis interface where you can manage tasks efficiently. Once you're on the Jarvis dashboard, find and click on the button that says Assign Task. This option is usually prominent on the screen. After clicking, a new form will appear, allowing you to input task details. Ensure that the form is visible before proceeding. Now type the subject of the task in the designated field. This is where you will provide a brief overview of what the task entails. After entering the subject, make sure to check that it clearly reflects the task's purpose, as this will help in identifying it later. After entering the subject, click on the option labeled No Project. This selection allows you to assign the task without linking it to a specific project. Once you make this selection, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with various project options. Next, click on Onboarding from the list that appears. This action will assign the task to the onboarding category. Ensure that the selection is highlighted to confirm your choice. Now, locate the button labeled Add Description and click on it. This will open a new text box where you can provide additional details about the task. Make sure this button is easily identifiable on the screen. Type in a detailed description of the role in the text box that appears. This step is crucial as it outlines the specifics of the task for anyone who will be handling it. Take your time to ensure clarity and completeness in this description. Finally, click on the button that says Create Issue. This action will finalize the task creation process. After you click it, a confirmation message should appear, indicating that your task has been successfully created. Wait for this confirmation to ensure the task has been recorded properly. And that wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.